Hey, Doc Martinez here, and with the holiday season upon us, I will be making another holiday themed old-fashioned cocktail. Now this one will be very quick. It was an idea that I actually dreamt about, so I want to throw this together quickly. This is another Kiss series old-fashioned. Sorry, no cocktail quiz on this video. So this all started with me making a cherry-infused bourbon, and actually I started this a few months ago. I had forgotten all about it, and the other day I saw it sitting inside my kitchen cabinet. So I think that was in the back of my brain when I dreamt about this old-fashioned cocktail idea. I decided to do a play on the words Merry Christmas and call this a Cherry Christmas Old-Fashioned. Let me know what you think about this name in the comments below. If you're liking these videos, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Let's make a Cherry Christmas Old-Fashioned. Ingredients for a Cherry Christmas Old-Fashioned: 1.5 ounces cherry bourbon, 1 ounce of Christmas bourbon of your choice. I'll be using the Smoke Wagon Christmas Edition, half an ounce of maraschino liqueur, 1 dash orange bitters, 1 dash Angostura bitters. Optional, Luxardo cherries. In a mixing glass full of ice, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of cherry infused bourbon. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of a Christmas bourbon of your choice. I'll be using the Smoke Wagon Christmas Edition. Next, I'll be adding half an ounce of maraschino liqueur. Now I'll be adding 1 dash of orange bitters and 1 dash of Angostura bitters. We're gonna stir until chilled. We're gonna set this to the side for a moment. Now I'm gonna bring out a glass with 1 ice cube in it. It's not a large one, but a small one. And we're gonna use the Luxardo cherries. I'm gonna drop 3 Luxardo cherries in here. And it's okay to get a little bit of that juice. I like it. Now I'm gonna pour this mixture into a glass ornament. Let's recap that. So here it is, the Cherry Christmas. Let's go ahead and pop that off there. Let's pour that in. Can't break that, my wife will get mad at me. Cherry Christmas. Wow, very strong on the cherry for sure. If you like cherry drinks, you'll love this one. It's a little bit bitter, and I think it's because I had the cherries soaking for probably over 2 months, so it's been a while since I had those soaking. But I like that cherry. I like the flavor with it. It actually leaves a nice coat on your mouth. So really for a very quick one, I really do like this one. A Cherry Christmas to all, and to all good night. Happy holidays, friends.